Hey, thanks for watching this video. My name is John Watts. I'm a consumer protection lawyer in Alabama. And the question we'll answer in this video is one that we don't see a whole lot, but it is so frustrating if you happen to be dealing with this, and I presume that perhaps you are because you're watching this video. And that is, you look at your credit reports and you see a debt on there, whether it's from the original creditor, whether it's from a debt collector, whatever it is, and you go, wait a minute, that's not my debt. I don't owe that. And so you dispute it. You go through the credit bureaus, they reach out to the original creditor, the debt collector, and you get back the response from the credit bureaus that goes, great news, we've deleted this account. You go, oh, thank you so much, that's wonderful, it's been deleted. And then 2 months later, 6 months later, you pull your credit reports, maybe you have Credit Karma, you have a monitoring service, it's on there again. Like, what is this? So you dispute it again through the credit bureaus. You get back the response, great news, we've deleted this account. You go, oh, thank you so much. And then 6 months later, boom, it's back on there. What do you do? Because at this point, you're like, I'm in the Twilight Zone, or I'm at Chuck E. Cheese playing whack-a-mole, you know, where you hit the thing and then it pops up somewhere else. What do you do? Well, you got a couple options. One, you can ignore it. I'm not a fan of that, but I guess you could just ignore it. You could do another dispute. Or if it's the same company that it keeps popping back up, or if you know it's definitely the same debt, then look at suing somebody. Well, who would you sue? Well, the credit bureaus, if they delete information and then they reinsert that information, are supposed to give you a letter telling you that. So you get a letter in the mail from Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, Innovis, SageStream, whoever it is, and they say, hey, I know we took this off, but now we're putting it back on. I'll tell you this. I've never seen them send those letters. Maybe they send those letters to everybody but my client. I've never seen them send those letters. That's a violation of the law. And if it's the same debt collector doing it, then that would violate the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act almost certainly, because you don't owe this debt. You've told them you don't owe the debt, and they continue to put it on there. But even for the original creditor, so maybe that's, you know, Bank of America, Capital One, Chase, or maybe it's a mortgage company, Nation Star, Aquin, whoever it might be, and they keep popping up on your credit report again, and you've told them that this is not yours, or you've told them that this account should be deleted for whatever the legitimate reason is it should be deleted, well, then you may can sue those guys under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. So you may have the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act or the Fair Credit Reporting Act, or even both. And so those two laws can be incredibly powerful to sue these guys. So what I would do is, whenever you're doing any type of credit dispute, keep copies of everything. Even if you get the response back and it's like, hey, everything's perfect, it's gone. Still keep that. Okay, keep it on Dropbox, keep it on Google Drive, keep a physical copy. Just get you a little 99-cent manila folder, put it in there, right on there. Hey, this is the Aquin account that's been deleted, whatever it is. And then if this stuff comes back, then sit down with the consumer protection lawyer in your state and say, look, here's all the information. You can see, I disputed it, it came off, it came back on, I disputed it, it went off, it came back on, what do I do? And then that lawyer can sit there and go through it and give you advice on, do you need to dispute it again? Is there some reason this is legitimate? Or, as it almost certainly is this something where you can sue somebody? Because when you sue them, credit bureaus, debt collectors, mortgage company, whoever you're suing, that's a way to kind of think about a vampire, like drive a stake through their heart, and then the thing never comes back because they know you're going to sue them. They know they've had to pay you out a bunch of money, and they go, whatever we do not make that mistake again. Do not try to collect this debt again. Do not lay it on the credit report again. So I hope that this is helpful to you, and if you happen to be in Alabama, feel free to give us a call. 205-879-2447, or you can reach us through our website, alabamaconsumer.com. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.